Hi everyone. So this is Lydia's version of Oha Soup. So I'm making Lydia's kitchen version of Oha Soup. I have to dry fish, this catfish, long chili, yellow scotch bonnet, Oha leaf is been in the fridge envelope, locust beans. This I'll be using for my ogiri. Ogiri, yes. Then my marinated beef, palm oil. I'll be using yam as thickener, then salt, seasoning, cubes that I've blended, then my mixed spices, some black pepper, and crayfish. So let's make the magic happen with Lydia's Kitchen or soup. I'll be pouring all into a pot. Yeah, you can make any marinade of choice, like it doesn't really matter. Then add in some water. Yeah, instead of waiting for the meat to get cooked a bit before adding water, yeah, you can skip that. Then into another pot, we want to make our yam, that is want to boil it till it's very soft, like I mean very soft. And at the same time our meat is getting ready, so that by the time you are done you are not wasting time. Yeah, so you can see that the meat is almost ready. Then we are going to blend our yam. At this point I'm using this Baolo mix blender. Then I added in my Uru, which is locust beans, in form of ogiri. So I've washed it, then I've soaked it so that it's very soft by the time I'm blending. I added in all my pepper because afterwards I'm going to blend my pepper. So it does not really matter which method or steps you take. So far we are getting the same result. That's the goal, right? Then I blended all together. But something happened when I was making this video, and I'm like, should I post it or should I just let it go? But I was like, no, we have face difficulty one way or the other, and this is one of it. I don't know what happened. Yeah, I'm not using buchimis, I know, right? But the yam is very hot, and I added little to no water. Then my blender stopped working. Guys, my blender stopped working making this video. Gosh, I'm like, God, it's not even up to 5 months that I bought this blender. Like, what's going on with it? It actually stopped working, and I just have to proceed with the video and with the blending like that. So, this is me saying when you are making your own video, allow the yam to get cold a bit, or you add cold water to it, or you pour it inside cold water, then blend it. Yeah, we learn every day, right? So I poured the mixed like that. So that's why it's looking this way. So it's not fully blended, right? But at the same time I just want to make oha soup, and this is it. I added it that way, and what I did next is I pour in my palm oil just to continue the process. Then I allow the palm oil to stay a bit, to cook a bit with the yam and everything. Then I added in all my stocks, that is your stock fish, your crayfish, any protein of choice you want to add, you can add it at this point. Then I added in my salt as well, and I allowed this to cook for a while. Then I stir and covered for a while. After some minutes, I added in all my pepper. Yeah, I had to use another method to blend this pepper because after I have no blender. So I use matching method. Yeah, hope is not lost, right? You just have to find a way in difficult situations. Then I added in my seasoning cube at this point as well. And this is Lydia's kitchen version of Oha soup. I added vegetable. Yeah, I added green because I have no afang. Then after a while, because it was frozen, then I added in my Oha, which is the main star of this dish, right? The Oha leaf must be in your Oha soup to call it Oha. Yeah. At the comment section, guys, I really want you to rate me on this video, like your honest review, because I've been contemplating, should I post this, should I not? I was like, what's the harm in posting? I added some water because it's very thick. Now as you can see, I was thinking, why didn't I add water to that yam in the first place inside the blender, since I know I'll be adding water into the soup, right? So that's all about our oha soup. I also made pounded yam to go with it. And this is me showing you the gadget I use for my pounded yam in case you want to get it. Like, it's so easy and swift. All you have to do is make sure your yam is very soft. Like this is a bonus video for you guys. Oh, make sure your yam is very soft before blending. That way it's easier and it just takes about 10 seconds really. 10 seconds and your pounded yam is ready. Ọmọ Yorùbá tí ò ní pando machine or tí ò ní mortar and pestle. But they just say right nice. No more mortar and pestle. Like life has just been so easy with this, especially me that like pounded yam so much. If I have yam in the house, I can use that old yam to make pounded yam. Yeah, that's how much I love pounded yam. And this thing just works in seconds. So our lovely pounded yam is ready. Yeah. So tell me, what do you eat your oha with? Like what else do you eat your oha with apart from pounded yam? Because I know it cannot go nice with amala, so I don't even dare to try it. Thank you so much for watching to the very end. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Lydia's Kitchen. And your Eastern brother loved it. Yeah, your Yoruba gave me the one soup, and your Eastern brother loved it so much. Like it was a hit. It's actually delicious. I loved it as well, and I'll be trying it again. So that's the end of today's video. Thank you for watching to the very end. Have an amazing and a wonderful day. Thank you so much, and bye everyone.